Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can locate folder of Google Sheets or Google Docs, anything. Alright, there's two options. On the file you open it, you can select file for the first one and select details. Alright, you can get your location, your file location, sorry. And for the second one, you can select the move of move icon and select here's open folders in the new tab. Alright, so this is the folder you are looking for, and anyway this is my file and I can see for the location of my file, but um, on the files that are not yours you cannot see for the option, for this option. Okay, so you have to request access to the owner before to look at folders of the files. Alright, I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.